Hello, my beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I want us to talk about how to use trending hashtags to get more views. The YouTube algorithm have changed recently. It has become more advanced. So for you to get more views in 2026 using trending hashtags, then there are some things you need to do. So in this video, if you are interested on how to use trending hashtags to get more views in 2025, then this video is for you. Now let's dive in. For you to get more views and visibility in 2026, then you must remain focused. You must adapt new strategies as the algorithm have changed and is no longer what you used to know in recent times. The algorithm have changed massively. Things are no longer the way they used to be. So if you are still using the old strategies that you have been using all throughout 2017-18 up to now, then you must have been left behind. Now, the idea of using trending hashtags is that when you use them in your video and a viewer is searching for that kind of content, then your video will pop up. And when your video pops up, the viewer might likely watch. It is no longer the same. Even though you use trending hashtags and your views on that video is low, my dear, when a viewer search for your video, that video will appear down, 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 down. It is video of creators that are getting more views using that hashtag that will pop up first. Now, how do you address this problem so that you too can get more views when you use these hashtags? You will need to start creating quality content. I always tell you on YouTube Street that it's not all about the number of content you dish out, it's about the quality. So you need to start focusing on creating quality content. By the time you create good and quality content, then the algorithm will push out your video. Having more watch time is the key, because YouTube is a watch time. YouTube is based on watch time. If you're a small creator and you are the type that don't used to get so much views like big content creators out there, then you don't need to panic. All you need to do is to create good and quality content. By the time you create good and quality content, even though you don't get plenty views on such a video, the small views that you have gotten will definitely go a long way to help. This is very important, and you need to take this into consideration. By the time you get, let's say you create a video of 10 minutes and your viewers watch the video for at least 7 minutes, you will definitely get an algorithm push. The algorithm will push out your videos. Now, when you now include trending hashtags in these your videos, it will definitely go a long way to help. This is very, very important. So in 2026, use trending hashtags in your videos to get more views. By the time you use trending hashtag in your video, you will definitely get more views, and this will go a long way to push out your videos in 2026. So the key is that use trending hashtags in your niche. Don't go and see that because you observe that, you notice that an hashtag is trending, you go and start using it in your video. Use hashtags that are related to your videos. By the time you use hashtags that are related to your own niche, the algorithm will definitely push it out. This is very, very important as a creator. So just focus on creating hashtags that will push out your videos. It's very, very important as a creator in 2026. Now, the next thing I want you to know is that promote your content. It's not all about you using hashtags, creating good and quality content. Also promote your videos. Promote it on TikTok, on Facebook, on Instagram, on X, and even right here on YouTube. You can promote it from your YouTube studio. Promotion here helps to give you visibility. It helps to make you to reach out to people who are searching for your kind of content. And by the time you push out your videos to this group of people, you will definitely get more views. And when you get more views, the algorithm will further push out your content. This is very, very important. So in 2026, use trending hashtags that are related to your niche. By the time you do it, the algorithm will push out your content. Create good and quality content that are relevant to your channel. If you do this, it will also go a long way to help. And lastly, use hashtags that are related to what you are producing, to your own niche. Focus on creating videos that people will enjoy. If someone is not enjoying your video, that person will not want to come back to your channel. This is where creating good and quality content comes in. By the time you create good and quality content, when someone watched it and enjoy it, that person will definitely come back to watch more of your videos. This is where small channels out there are using it. Create content that when someone watch, that person will enjoy it. And when that person enjoy it, next time he will come back again to watch it. This is very, very important. So stay focused. Do the needful, and the algorithm will definitely reward you. Having said all this, what do you think about this video? Please share it with your friends and family who are content creators so that they also will also benefit from this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.